Before you export or render your animation in Blender, you might want to do a few things. First thing would be to setting your start and end frame. In my case, this animation starts at the frame number 1 and ends at 120. If I click on render now, it will render 250 frames. To change that, you'll be changing this to 120. You'll be changing this to the length of your own animation. Mine ends here at 120. So you do that, head to the output properties. In that, first option will be where you will be choosing your resolution. You can choose 4K or whatever you want. This is the default resolution that I am using. And then you can set your frame rate here. All of these is in the output properties. You can change the number of frames here as well that you did here. It's the same thing. And then the most important part would be to assign a file location. By default, your render will be saved in temp folder, which will be deleted after a while. So choose a different folder and then name it. Again, by default, it will be rendering a PNG sequence which will contain 120 images. You can take that 120 images and then turn that into a video by using a video editor software, or you can just use FFmpeg video. This one will render out as a video, but it offers lesser control compared to PNG sequence. I use this and it's reliable as well. Here you can choose your encoding. I use an MPEG 4 and then the video codecs is H.264. You don't have to change these if you don't know what these are, but if you want to render out a video, you'll be changing this. So I'm going to change this to demo. That's not demo. Demo. After that, I'm choosing the render properties. I'm switching to EV because it's faster, but cycles is more accurate for realism. But this is a demo, so I'm using EV. Now you will be going to render and then clicking on render animation. Since this is EV, it renders out pretty fast. This is a simple animation where a cube is rotating in a green screen. Since I set the format to FFmpeg video, it will be available as video. You can see it here. Hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.